Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, today we are going to learn how to describe a place. This is the topic of our today's lesson. Dear students, these are the grammatical structures to describe a place. This is number one. This is introductory sentence. One introductory sentence. Two simple sentences. One sentence using and. Three sentences using there with single object. One sentence using there with and. One sentence using but. One sentence using moreover. One sentence use of like to. One sentence use of have to. One sentence use must. One sentence using closing sentence using because, and one closing sentence simple sentence. These are 15 sentences. So you will write the paragraph on a place with 15 sentences. The students, this is the topic, a visit to the zoo. I have written this paragraph for you. First sentence, Lahore Zoo is a place worth seeing. This is introductory sentence. It is informative. It is big and crowded. It is informative, simple sentence. It is big and crowded using and. It is beautiful and entertaining. Another sentence using an. There are many enclosures in it. Use of there with single sentence. There are lions and tigers in it. Use of there using and. There is a snake house in it. Use of there. There are different types of birds there. Use of there. It is clean but smelly. Use of but. It is airy and lighted. Moreover, it is spacious too. Use of moreover. Children like to enjoy elephant ride there. This is use of like. People have to take care of their children during the visit. This is the use of have to. We must keep it clean. The use of must. I like it very much because it is a source of entertainment. Closing sentence using because. The last sentence, and this is also the closing sentence, simple sentence. It is a blessing of Allah to have such places in our city. Dear students, this is the homework. You will write another paragraph, a visit to a park. You will write the paragraph on this topic with 15 lines. Okay student, now this is the time to say you Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.